Someone asked me what is the best time to trade, either Forex or crypto. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best time to trade. For me, I trade with two sessions. We have the London session and the New York session. The New York session open around 1:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. in the night. That's Ghana time. So we have the London session that opens around 7 a.m. in the morning and closes around 5 p.m. in the evening. So in this video, I'm going to show you the pairs that you need to be trading at that time and how you are going to manage your risk. About what is the best time to trade crypto or Forex. So this video is for those in Africa. What you want to do is you want to go to a website called market24hourclock.com. Let me just explain this simple thing. There are many sessions in the world, but we are only going to use two. These are the ones that the major moves usually occur. We have the New York session, the London session, and the Asian session, but we are not going to trade the Asian session. We are just going to trade New York session and London session. So the London session opens from Monday to Friday. It opens 7 a.m. Ghana time. So if you are in Nigeria, that's 8 a.m. Nigerian time. That's in the morning. So from Monday to Friday, it opens 7 o'clock in the morning Ghana time and closes around 5 p.m. Ghana time. So Nigeria, that will be around 6 p.m. Okay, then we have the New York session. It's there with 5 hours before the New York session opens. So the New York session opens 1:30 p.m. Ghana time and closes 9:30 Ghana time. So if you are in Nigeria, it opens 2:30 Nigerian time. You guys get it? And closes 10:30 Nigerian time. If you are going to take your trades, you can either trade only one market session. Please focus on one market session. The reason why I'm saying this is, usually if you want to make money trading indices, that's US 30, Nasdaq, and S&P 500, these particular pairs or these particular indices, they move in the New York session. They move largely in the New York session. So starting from 1:30 p.m. Ghana time to 9:30, Nasdaq usually moves very fast. That's why it's still slow. But around 1:30 in the afternoon, Nasdaq will start to move very fast. So this was the trade that I took with my funded account. That was yesterday. I was able to pass it. And I've been telling you guys, if you want me to pass your funded account for you, the cost is $100. I'll trade it to the withdrawal phase for you. Okay, you can also follow me on Binance feed. Sometimes I share my trades on Binance feed. As I was saying, there are two sessions you should choose. You should either choose whether you want to trade London session or you want to trade New York session. If you want to trade New York session, that will be around 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon Ghana time. Just go to this website called market24hourclock.com. When you go there, then you go to trading hours. So when you go to trading hours, you can select either you want to look at the London session or you want to look at the New York session. So this is the London session. Okay, so the London session has already opened. So this is the London session here. Okay, but if you want to trade New York session, you click on New York session again, and this particular website will tell you the number of hours left or if the market has already opened. So also I want to add this to you guys. There is a particular website called investing.com. You can also use Forex Factory. For me, I use investing.com. Today we have major news. We have major fundamentals. So you can see we have GBP USD, the gross domestic product of Great Britain. So they are going to be releasing their data today, 7. Then we also have this particular one, that's 130 core CPI from United States and initial jobless claims, crude oil inventories. Today is going to be huge movement. Please don't trade. If you don't know how to trade, don't trade. But if you know how to trade, you can reduce your risk of not getting blown. Usually when there is economic releases, cryptocurrencies and forex pairs, they move in unconventional, like they don't respect the normal price movement, price action. Okay, so I'm saying that if you want to trade, there are 2 sessions you should focus on, and there are also pairs that are available at that moment. So if you want to trade US30, you want to trade US500, you want to trade US100, that's Nasdaq, S&P 500 and Dow Jones, only trade them on New York session. If you want to make a lot of money, trade them on New York session, that's 1:30 p.m. Ghana time. But if you want to trade GBP USD, you can trade it 7 o'clock to 5 p.m. Ghana time. If you want to trade Euro USD, you can trade it 1:30 p.m. Ghana time. And if there is news release and you are not a fundamental trader, don't trade. Fundamentals are just external events that affect the financial market, whether stocks, crypto, forex, indices and all those things. Okay, so I just showed you best time to trade in a day. I showed you New York session, and I also showed you, even if we go to trading view, let's go to trading view. So this is the time that the London session open. This is the time that the London session open. Okay, so hourly, this is the time that the London session open, this candle here. So we are waiting for it to close. If it closes below here, that means Nasdaq is going to sell. But if it closes above this particular level, Nasdaq is buying. Okay, so for now we wait for this candle. Either it closes below here, then we sell to the downside, or if it closes and still goes up, that means we are still in an uptrend. The whole of last month, Nasdaq and US30 was just dropping, but last week that it started reversing, so you can see huge moves to the upside here. So we are still waiting for price to break this particular level to continue up. If you want to trade, you can either select to trade on New York session or London session, and I'm saying London session open 7 a.m. in the morning Ghana time and closes 5 p.m. in the evening. New York session open around 1:30. So during this time, you see the pairs moving very fast. Even if you are trading crypto or you are trading any pair at all that you are trading, it will surely increase. So if you have any questions, comment down below again so I can do a video about it for you.